Welcome back to the channel, ScooterATVSales.com at Scooter City Reno, bringing you a couple of tips on if your brand new ATV that you just set up, it is not starting. Generally, you guys, it has something to do with electrical. Now, I've had a few customers, and I do receive quite a few calls in regards of customers ordering these. They're doing their own setup at home. They ordered them online. They broke them out of the crate, got them ready, and they're ready to go, ready to be started up, and they are not starting. So, again, these ATVs for kids, whether it's a TAOTAO brand, whether it's a Coolster brand, whether it's an Apollo brand or VITACCI brand, they generally all have safety features for the kiddies. All right, let's start with the lanyard over here. You want to check to make sure that the lanyard is plugged in. Sometimes the lanyard can be defective. Cut the zip tie over here and follow the lanyard wire all the way down to the plug. Make sure that's plugged in. Same thing here with the front brake. It does have a safety switch on it as well. Make sure that that is plugged in. Follow the wire all the way down to the plug, which they are all underneath the ATV. Make sure that that is plugged in. Again, on these ATVs, you have to be quite mindful. You have to put the key switch in. You have to pull in the lever or step on the foot brake. The rear brake as well has a safety switch on it as well. As you can see, this wire right here where my hand's at, follow the lead to the end and make sure that that is plugged in. Last but not least, you do want to check to make sure your spark plug is plugged in here properly. Sometimes they arrive loose. And then also make sure that this is your CDI box right here where my hand is on the Apollo. Now, it might be in the same place on the other brands, sometimes not, but they're generally all the same type of CDI box. This controls the spark. Make sure that's plugged in properly, as well as the wires that lead to the CDI, that they are in all the way. Sometimes they come loose during the packaging process and the travel process. And then you want to check with your on and off switch over here. There are rare times where the on and off switch is defective, as well as you can find out by following the lead here, the wire, all the way down to where it plugs in, and make sure that that's connected properly. So I hope you guys find these tips well. Scooter ATV Sales on Instagram. If you need some universal parts, at ScooterATVParts.com, and we'll see you guys soon.